I want to real quick show you a 5-1 that you can play. We're going to be in the key of D flat for this one. One of the things this is something that I found early and I still use it to this day, in which I'll play this left hand where I'm just playing the 5, 4, 6. And this is an okay 5 chord. But let me just show you what happens when I'm just playing a straight 4 chord. Straight G flat, D flat, G flat, B flat. And I'm just going to lower the half step. 1. You see how pretty that sounds? 2. That's 5 and 1. I can do 5 and 1. 5 and 1. Or I can do 5 and 1. So let me show you the 5 again. 5. Let me show you the and. Same chord in my left hand. If I wanted to, I could lower this B flat to the A, but I like that dissonance. 5 and 1. And I've broken that chord down, but I'll just show it to you again. D flat, F, B flat, E flat, A flat, and using this D as a grace note. 5 and 1, da da da. So, alright, so let me show you a way that you can apply this 5-1. And really, you can use it anywhere, but I just want to give you some context. So let's say we're playing the song I Have Decided to Follow Jesus. Let's go towards the end. Turning back. So what I'll do here is I've taught you this on YouTube before, but I'll go, instead of going to the 1, I'll go no turning back. No turning. I go to the back 4, 6, and then I'll go to the 5. And then I'll go back to the top of the song. And I'm already on the A flat for decided. Okay? So I'll do no turning back. No turning back. Let's go 5. And I have decided. And I'm there. Also, just real quick, I want to show you, get this in multiple keys. So let's just do this in C. So that's the move in C. So it's my left hand. G, F, A, C, F, A. I'm just going to lower this down to the E chord. I'm going to keep the same left hand. And then it's the C6-9. Same chord I played in D flat. Let's do one more key. Let's go to the key of D. Excuse me. Okay, so let's do it one more time. We'll lower this G chord to a G flat. And that's the same movement in the key of D. I'll lay on the chords so you can see them. The first chord. It's my left hand. It's my right hand. The move. And there it goes. And then I'm back at 1. And that's the key of D. And one more time back in D flat. C. And again, you just want to get that in multiple keys. So hopefully that gave you some ideas. Thank you so much for taking time to view this training. I want to let you know that we just released our Concept Catalog Volume 2, and the subject of this training is deconstructing the key of D flat. And so there's over 40 short videos that show you chords and concepts on the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 in the key of D flat. We wanted to give you some stuff that you can add to your playing. Wanted to make the video short so you can get what you need and so that you can move on. So section 1 is all about showing you what to play on various areas of the scale. Section 2 is all about application. And then section 3, I wanted to show you how I use some of my favorite Corey Henry concepts in the key of D flat. And so we're going to break down at least 5 upwards to 10 concepts. We have 5 ready now, and we're actually working on some more Corey Henry concepts that we're going to show you how to play in the key of D flat. We're going to show you how to use them and where to use them. And so I encourage you to check it out. You can click the link below and you can get 46% off right now on the Concept Catalog Volume 2. It's an instant download, so once you get it, you have instant access, and I encourage you to check it out. There's a lot of stuff on there. We spent a lot of time. I say over 40 videos. It's actually about maybe 60 or so videos, which we cover various concepts, and we're adding to Volume 2 because we wanted to make this a go-to collection for you in the key of D flat. So check it out. Click the link below to access this training today. Thanks again. Bye-bye.